Rae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a centerpiece using straws you can get from any inexpensive store like the Dollar Tree. If you are inspired by today's video, then I invite you to subscribe to this channel, and if you're feeling extra generous, then like this video as well. If you are DIYing your centerpiece, then I have another video which I will link above and below, and it's another centerpiece idea made exclusively using Dollar Tree items, so very inexpensive. And now let me show you exactly what you're going to need. The foliage is from a florist. Paper straws. I just picked up this really cute decorative candle. From the Dollar Tree we have florist foam, more candles and some glue dots, spray paint. In order to make this straw triangle before we start spray painting, and also just to give you an idea, this is a bottle of spray paint, so it's about the height of a spray paint, so it's a very small centerpiece, it's not big, and that's part of its charm. I've chosen the jumbo straws so that it will work just as well with little ones. Highly recommend tearing off your glue dots in advance so they're at the ready. We're going to need 6 straws in total to do one triangle. So out of the 6 straws, you want to leave 3 of them just normal at the bottom. So we're going to push down on all the tops of every single part except for 3. Just leave 3 normal. Grab your straw, grab your thumbs, and just do it one at a time and just push down on each edge. To assemble it, grab your glue dot, pop it at the edge of the straw, really push it down, peel away, and do it at the other side as well. And then stick one straw to that straw. The reason I like the glue dot so much is because it still moves after you stick your straws down, just in case you need to pivot them. So line it up and just give it a good push. And again, now we just want to pop a glue dot on each corner of the triangle. Now we're going to take our 3 straws. 3 of them have the pinches at the top and 3 of them should just be normal. So the 3 normal ones, you want to put the normal side on the glue dot. So just pop it there, then grab another glue dot, merge them together. So pop it at the edge of this one and give that a thorough squeeze so that it's firmly attached. And this one I'm just going to pinch it here so it goes upwards a little bit, just like that, and then squeeze it onto there. So grab another glue dot, I'm going to pop it right there and pop that there. And then you'll have your finished triangles. So you can actually glue these together to make another geometric shape if you wanted to and have that, but I'm just sticking to triangles for the purposes of today's video. As always with spray paint, gloves, plastic, and go ahead and spray paint. Okay, so now the exciting part is putting your florals into the triangle. So I've just got loads of really fresh foliage. I wish you were here so you could smell it. It's unbelievable. Also, a quick tip for you. So when you go into a florist, if you just ask them for flowers and foliage that are going really old and that you're willing to pay a discounted rate for them, they'll often help you out. Foliage is not that expensive. All of this together only cost me $4. So it can be really inexpensive, and it's so dramatic, and it really will add a wow factor to your centerpiece. To do this, you're going to need your florist foam. We literally just want to cut a cube and pop it in the center. I also picked up some normal flowers from the florist. I do share tips on my Instagram, Nadia Rae Afternoon Tea, that I don't always share on my YouTube channel, so feel free to follow me there. And if you had any ideas, suggestions or tips of your own, then please feel free to comment them below, especially when it comes to the straws and how to stick them together other than with glue dots. I know that you can do it with wire. Maybe I should have done that today, but if you had any ideas, please feel free to comment them because we can all learn from each other. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care, bye.